looking for some education. Made my way into the night. All that bullshit conversation. Baby, can't you read the sign? Someone else I see. I'm just another fragment of your life. To wander free. The very first show that I ever played was at a Cub Scout hut in Bushy, up the road from the school. And there were about 400 or 500 people there, I think, mostly friends and family, you know. It was quite a large band. But it went incredibly well. And I've never actually appeared on stage and left disappointed to this day, so I'm hoping this isn't going to change any of that.
Ignition. Lift off.
If you don't represent women in politics,